A is 1 1, B is 2 0, C is 2 2. So 1 1 is starting from the origin, so 1 1, so this is A. 2 0, so this is B. 2 2, so 2 2, that is C. So we have to draw this triangle, so A B C. So that is the first thing. The next thing that we have to do is we have to calculate a matrix. This 3 points has been rewritten as a matrix. So 1 1 is 1 1, 2 0 is 2 0, 3 3 is this. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So what we have to do is multiply the matrix of the object with the transformation matrix, and we have to write down the answer. So let's do this here. So question number B is P is 2 1 0 1, and the matrix that we have to multiply this with is 1 2 2 1 0 2. So the answer would be, let me do this very quickly. So the row here would be the column here. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. Then this row would be multiplied with this column. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Similarly, this would be 2 2s are 4 plus 1 2s are 2. Then the next row is going to be 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 1s are 1, so this would be 0 plus 1. This would be 0 plus 0 because 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, then 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, and what we would be having is 3 1 4 0 6 2. So that would be the product of the matrix. Now what we have to do is we have to put this into the graph paper and we have to name it A prime, B prime, C prime. That's question number C. So we have to write this. Done in graph. Question number C, done in graph. So A prime is going to be 3 1, B prime is going to be 4 0, C prime is going to be 6 2. So 3 1 is this, A prime, 4 0 is this, B prime, and 6 2 is this, C prime. Let me draw the triangle. This is not a straight line, but you have to use a scale. So this is the image. Now the next thing that we have to do, we have another matrix Q. So 0 half minus 1 by 4 1 by 4. So we have to multiply this and we have to find another triangle. So let's do question number D. So we have to multiply 0 half minus 1 by 4 1 by 4 with the previous image that we just found. That would be A prime, B prime, C prime. So that would be 3 1 4 0 6 2. So let me do this very quickly. So when we multiply this, 0 into 3 is 0, plus half into 1 is half. So this would be 0 plus half. Then this row with this 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 4 is 0, half into 0 is 0. So this is 0. 0 into 6 is 0, plus half into 2 is 1. Then the next row, minus 1 by 4 into 3 is minus 3 by 4, plus 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4. Then minus 1 by 4 into 4 is minus 1, plus 1 by 4 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 by 4 into 6 is minus 6 by 4, plus 1 by 4 into 2 is 2 by 4. So the calculation is going to be 0 plus half is half, 0, 1. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is going to be minus half. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. And this is going to be 2 minus 6 is minus 4 divided by 4 is minus 1. So now we have to put this in question number D. We have to draw and label triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. So let's do that. So what we have to do here is minus half, half minus half. So if this is half, then minus half is going to be here. So this is A double prime. The next one is 0 minus 1. So if this is 0 minus 1 is this, 0 minus 1 is B double prime. Then C is 1 minus 1. So if this is 1, this is minus 1, this is C double prime. So this is the triangle. So we then write done in graph. Done in graph. Okay, so the next question is triangle ABC can be mapped. Triangle ABC is this first triangle, can be mapped into triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime by rotation followed by an enlargement. So what they're saying is that from this triangle you can directly get to this triangle, from this to this, by doing two transformations. They're saying first you have to do a rotation and then you have to do an enlargement. Describe fully the rotation and the enlargement. That's the question. So let's take a look at our options. So this is what we have. If this is the original object, there can be two rotation. It can either go 90-degree anti-clockwise or it can go 90-degree clockwise direction. So there are two options for rotation. So if we start from triangle ABC, so if rotation is going on, so it has to be a 90-degree clockwise rotation. So the first option would be 90-degree clockwise rotation. The next option that we have is enlargement. Now if you take a look at this triangle and the original triangle, you will see that this triangle is larger than the image. That means the image has a scale factor smaller than the original. If the scale factor was 2, it means the image would be double the size. But in this case, let's see what is the size of the image. Here AC, or if we take a look at BC, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 boxes. If we take here B prime, C prime, it is 2 boxes. So previously it was 4. Now the image is 2. So from 4 to 2, that means it has halved. So the enlargement has a scale factor of half. So that is the enlargement. So when we have to mention the rotation followed by enlargement, the rotation would be 90-degree clockwise degree rotation and the enlargement would have a scale factor of half.